Welcome again to Akima Academy. Today we are trying to look at how to find the range. How to find the range of a function involving quadratic. So as you can see here, we have a function f of x equals x squared. F of x equals x squared minus 3x plus 6 all out of 2 minus x. Okay. Now what we do is we first let y equals f of x. We first let y equals f of x. Okay. So when it happens like that, it means we are going to have y equals the entire function over there given. So here we're trying to make x the subject. Okay, we make x the subject from here. So here we can bring one here, so that we do cross multiplication. So we have we are going to have this 2y minus xy equals x squared minus 3x plus 6. Okay, so from here we could see that the variable with the highest power is over here, which is 2. So we send this one to join them over there. Okay, so this is what we are going to have. So here we have x here, we have x over here, therefore we group like terms. Okay, so here we can factor the x over here, we can factor the x out for you to have, and put them in bracket nicely. So here we have coefficient of x squared to be 1, coefficient of x as a minus 3 plus y, then the constant over here becomes 6 minus 2y. Okay, good. At this point we try to bring in the quadratic formula. Okay, the quadratic formula, which is all out of 2a. Okay, all out of 2a. So at this point we're fixing the values of b, which is coefficient of x. Then we have a, which is the coefficient of x squared. Then c to be our constant. Okay, so we fix in the values, and we are going to have our c here is 6 minus 2y. Over here we put them nicely in bracket, all out of 2 multiplying 1. Okay, then we simplify this. Negative will give us positive 3 minus y. Okay, so here we expand the binomial over here, which has an exponent of 2. Okay, so we have squared the first, which will be 9 twice the product, square the last. And we have minus 4 times 6 will give us what? Minus 24. The minus 4 times minus 2y will give us positive 8y. Everything out of 2. Okay. So at this point, we are looking for values of y for which x will be undefined. Okay. We have others who normally use for which x will be defined. Okay, so they are in two ways in way you use it. But we are using the first method, which is the values of y for which x will be undefined. Okay, in this case, we know the negative numbers are undefined at the radical sign. So we pick out the values under the radical sign, which is 9. Okay, so when this values over here is less than 0, then it means our entire function will be undefined, because we'll be getting negative numbers. Okay, so here we simplify them, and we have here we have our y square over here, then 8y over here minus 6y over here, which will give us plus 2y. Okay, then we have positive 9 and minus 24, which will give us minus 15 over here, less than what? 0. So this is quadratic inequality, so we can simplify it or factorize it completely. So at this point, when we factorize it, we are going to have y. Okay, y less than minus 5. When you factorize it, you are going to have y less than minus 5, or y less than 3. Okay, so from here we draw the number line to look out for the actual values which will satisfy the equation. Okay, so we draw our number line for the values that we obtained, and from this number line you could see that the range which satisfies the inequality is minus 5 less than y less than 3. Okay, so meaning that we are going to have our y to be greater than minus 5. Okay, y is greater than minus 5, and y is less than 3 to be the range which will not satisfy the equation. Therefore, our range of the function will be y is a member of R. Okay, except y greater than negative 5 and y less than y less than 3 to be your range for the function which was given. Okay, I hope this one helped. Just take your time and go over it again and again, and it will become part of you.